So I've added a couple of cheeses to my cheeses list, and I'm going to show you how we use for loops with a list like this. I said before, a for loop is what we use when we know how many things we've got, and we know that there's this many items in the list. So I'm going to say for cheese in cheeses. Okay, so it's going to go through the cheeses list and it's going to pick out a cheese each time and it's going to go in order. And we're just going to print out. Let's just go print I like, and we're just going to say which cheese it is, just to show that I just want to show that which cheese we're picking each time. So if I run that, I like cheddar, I like brie, Swiss, Parmesan. Okay, so for cheese in cheeses, this is a very standard technique of what we call iterating through a list, going through the list item by item.